welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a connection between Shopify and System.io in such a way that whenever you receive a new order from Shopify, automatically the customer details will be added in System.io, so that further you don't have to add these details manually. Now further, once the details are added, you can set email campaigns or you can use the details according to your own choice. So to do this, we have to use Pabbly Connect. But first, before seeing how we can create this connection, let's see how this automation is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this black dress, and first of all you can see that these are the contacts in my System.io. Alright, so let's purchase this black dress from here, and I'm just going to enter all of my details. For the contact, I'm going to keep it as new6677@pabblytudes.com. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as new only. Last name as user. For the phone number, I'm going to keep it as this, and as you can see the rest of the details. I am going to enter the credit card details and click on this pay now button. Now we are going to purchase this product, and as you can see we have successfully purchased this product. Now let's open System.io and we're going to refresh this contact list. As you can see, the contacts have turned into 11 and the new contact details are added right over here. You can see the same first name, same email address, same last name and the same phone number. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, or you can say connection between Shopify and System.io, then watch this video till the end. So yes, now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, open a blank workflow builder in Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Shopify and select Shopify V2. For the event, we have to select it as new order and click on this connect. Now we're going to receive this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Shopify account. After opening this, from the left hand of the side, go to this settings. After you come out this settings, once again scroll, and now from the left hand of the side, go to this notifications and then webhooks. Now you have to scroll and click on this create webhook button. For the event, select it as order creation. For the format, select it as JSON. For the URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, and for the API version, select it as latest and click on this save. Now you can see that we have successfully added this webhook URL. This is the proof of our successful connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. So to do this, open your Shopify, then close this and go towards the online store. And now what you have to do is you have to purchase a product from here. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this dress. So I'm just going to open it and go towards this buy it now, and I'm going to purchase this dress. So I'm just going to enter the details as smart user 44@pabblytudes.com, and as you can see the rest of the details too. Now let's move on further. For the credit card, I'm just going to enter a credit card number right over here. So I'm just going to do the test submission. So I've entered the test credit card details, and now I'm just going to click on this pay now. Once I click on this pay now, yes, you can see we have successfully purchased this dress over here. As you can see all the details. So yes, now after purchasing this, when we're going to open our workflow, you can see that Pabbly has captured the webhook response, and in this webhook response, we have captured all the details. Here's the customer name, the customer's mobile number, and the rest of the details of our customer. So with this, we have successfully completed the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now let's click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, we have to search for System.io and select it. For the event, select it as create contacted, click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between System.io and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, open your system.io account, go on this profile picture, then go towards this settings. Once you come on the settings, from the left hand of the side, go towards this public API keys, and you have to create a key. So as you can see, I've already created 3 keys. So let's delete one and we're going to create a new. So I'm just going to click on this create in order to create a key. So the maximum keys you can create is 3. That's the reason I had to delete one. Now for the name, I'm just going to name it as new order right over here. For the expiration, if you wish, you can definitely select a date. If you don't select a date, the key will never expire. So I'm just going to keep the date as blank so that this key never expires, and click on this save. Now where's my token? So let's copy this token and paste it on our workflow. If your system.io account is logged in, but if you wish to get this domain, you can open your system.io account and get the domain too. After entering both of these details, click on this save, and your system.io account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for many details. So one by one, we're going to enter all of these details. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we will map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, we'll map all the details right over here. I'm going to map the email, the first name, the last name, and then I'm going to map this phone number to right over here. As you can see that I've successfully mapped all of these 4 details, and now it is asking me for many other details. So if you wish, you can definitely map all of these details, but only this email address was required, but I've also filled in the rest of the details because I had that of my customer. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out. If you wish, you can keep it as same, move on further, and click on this save and send test request just like me. Once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a contact. So let's open our system.io. Let's go back towards this CRM and then towards this contacts. Once we are on this contacts, we're going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see the contact details are added over here. You're going to see the same name, same last name, same phone number, and the same email address. And yes, with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new order from Shopify, like I showed you the starting of this video, within seconds and in real time, the contact will be created in system.io. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.